Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to properly fill a punching bag for fitness, boxing, or stress relief. With the right materials and steps, your punching bag will be ready for action. Let's get started. First, gather your materials, fabric scraps, sandbags, and duct tape. Now, let's prepare the empty punching bag. Open the top of the bag and ensure it's fully unfolded and stable. This will make it easier to add the materials securely and evenly. Start by filling the base with sandbags to give the punching bag a sturdy foundation. Next, add fabric scraps layer by layer, pressing them down evenly. Add a layer of sand to increase the weight, but keep it balanced. Finally, seal the top with duct tape to keep everything secure. Your punching bag is ready to go. It's balanced and secure, perfect for boxing, fitness, or stress relief. Hang it up, put on your gloves, and start training. Thanks for following along, and see you next time.